The whole body is in sweat right now. And I can't explain what it happened. Like from 3 to 4 days from when I'm planning to do something new. I'm getting some obstacles. Like, like today, my bike got broken or don't know what happened to it. So, then I don't know like what has happened to it. And the main problem is that I'm like moving this bike to my home, like from 2 kilometers or 1.5 kilometers, which is comparatively less, but it's 2 o'clock right now and I have to reach at my home till 1 o'clock, late by 1 hour. And what we do is that we push forward. We don't look at behind of our backs with what's happening. We don't care about like what people will be thinking about me. What we do is we do our work. I'm late by 1 hour today and it's like kind of, my whole body is sweating right now. I can imagine the amount of like, this is not hard work. I can still imagine David Goggins who ran 107 miles straightforwardly like this way. I'm like halfway my home and still there's a